Controversy surrounds new driving license rules, stakeholders express doubt. क्या हुआ वो देखते हैं. कुछ नए रूल्स आए कंसर्निंग ड्राइविंग. अभी तक क्या होता था, कितने लोगों ने लाइसेंस लिए. अब देखो सही तरीके से लिए गलत तरीके से लिए ये भी पता चल जाएगा अभी. बट अच्छा चलो बताओ पहले तो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव द ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस. 2 व्हीलर 4 व्हीलर इट रियली डजंट मैटर. वैसे तो आजकल साथ के साथ ही बन जाते हैं, बट स्टिल प्लीज मेंशन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ गेटिंग इट वो भी बताइएगा. सो द यूजुअल प्रोसेस इज व्हेनेवर वी वांट टू लेट्स से लर्न 2 व्हीलर और 4 व्हीलर. 2 व्हीलर्स के लिए तो वी डोंट हैव द प्रॉपर स्कूल्स, सो यूजुअली 2 व्हीलर्स हमें घर के लोग ही सिखा देते हैं. एंड इन सर्टन केसेस इवन द 4 व्हीलर्स दे आर ऑल्सो टोल्ड बाय the family members or the friends. But for 4 व्हीलर्स you will see that certain schools are also there. You can say there are certain small businesses. आपने देखा होगा there is a person who will have this car और कार के ऊपर काफ़ी बड़ा सा उसका एडवर्टीजमेंट लगा होगा. And there will be a person who will be on the left side and that person will be trying to teach the person who is actually on the wheel. ठीक है. So we have very small schools in the neighborhood who basically now these people basically they are involved in teaching us how to drive a car, right? So the first process is we learn to drive the car, then we apply for the license, then we go to the RTO, then we go to the office and then we apply for the license. They test us, sometimes they fail us, sometimes they pass us, sometimes they ask for the money even though we drive pretty good, sometimes they ask for the money even though we drive very bad, but they are willing to give us the license. ठीक है, यही होता है. एंड इन सर्टेन केसेस दे डोंट इवन टेस्ट, अगेन नॉट नेमिंग एनी स्टेट, बट इन सर्टेन केसेस दे डोंट इवन टेस्ट. द बेसिक प्रोसेस इज यू अप्लाई फॉर द लाइसेंस, पे द रिक्वायर्ड फीस, पे द रिक्वायर्ड मनी एंड देन यू विल गेट द लाइसेंस. ठीक है. दिल्ली में चीज़ें जो हैं इट इज़ कंपेरेटिवली क्लीन. व्हाट आई हैव हर्ड ऑफ दैट अ प्रॉपर टेस्टिंग हैपन्स, बट नाउ आफ्टर दिस new amendments or changes you will find these things will be changed. ठीक है. तो अभी तक क्या होता था, you will learn how to drive a car from a neighborhood school. ठीक है. a local business, maybe a business consisting of 2 or 3 people, and when you know कि okay now you know how to drive a car, you can go and apply for the license. RTO will test you, a test drive will happen and once you pass that test then you will get the license. ठीक है. ये होता है एक यूजुअल प्रोसेस, बट यू नो कि आइडियलिस्टिक चीज़ें लाइफ में नहीं होती. सो दिस इज द आइडियलिस्टिक वे ऑफ एक्सप्लेनिंग, बट रियल लाइफ में क्या होता है, यू डोंट लर्न हाउ टू ड्राइव द कार, सो यू हैव नो आइडिया हाउ टू ड्राइव द कार. यू गो टू द RTO ऑफिस, यू अप्लाई फॉर द लाइसेंस, you pay under the table money and then you get the license. So reality and what has to happen or what should happen, there's a lot of difference there. ठीक है. होना क्या चाहिए, you learn how to drive, then you apply for the license, they'll test you, they'll pass you. Reality में you don't know anything, you apply for the license कि भाई बाद में सीख लेंगे. ठीक है. और चलाते चलाते सीखेंगे. They don't test you and they issue you the license because you have paid them some money. ठीक है. अब क्या चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, पहले क्या था, you will learn from a local school, local driving school, then you will go to RTO. so यहां पर क्या होगा, learning, और यहां पे क्या होगा, testing, and once approved you will get the license. ठीक है. now the government is saying let's shift this work to this school. This testing thing should also be done by the school. And here the criteria to become eligible to call oneself as a school of learning and testing, some requirement is there. For example, it is said 1 acre of land should be there, because if you have this big chunk of land, only then you will be able to teach the people. ठीक है. अब इसमें वो क्या कह रहे हैं, इसमें कह रहे हैं कि इससे क्या होगा, लर्निंग एंड टेस्टिंग विल हैपन एट अ सेम प्लेस एंड देयरफॉर the pressure over the RTO, that pressure will go down and efficiency will increase because learning भी यहाँ हो रही है, testing is also happening here, and once they approve you can take that approval letter here. Will they test you? No. Why? Because testing has already happened. what they are going to do, they will issue you the license. So basically the testing which used to happen or which used to be done by RTO, now they are saying कि we are going to shift this testing part to the school only. ठीक है, and they are trying to formalize the school. अब वो आपका neighborhood का छोटा सा वो नहीं होगा सिखाने वाला, it has to be a proper school, and they have said as per Motor Vehicle Act, applicant may no longer be required to undergo a driving test at regional transport office, but it has to happen at the school. School किसको कहेंगे? मिनिमम 1 acre ऑफ लैंड होनी चाहिए, सो दैट द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ द पर्सन शुड हैपन. ठीक है, कैसे यहां पे देखिएगा एक बार. The new rules mandate that driving training centers must occupy at least 1 acre of land with the minimum 2 acre required for 4-wheelers. 2-wheelers के लिए 1 acre, then 4-wheelers के लिए training के लिए 2 acre of land is required. Driving school owners and transport activists have expressed skepticism regarding the new driving license rules issued by the Ministry of Road Transportation and Highway effective from June 1st, 2024. तो कब से लागू हो गए? ये कल से लागू करने के लिए कह रहे थे. ठीक है, अब मैंने आपको ये बना के दिखाया. इसमें दिस is what the government is trying to do. Basically they are trying to shift the testing part to the local schools, or you can say the school which is eligible with that criteria of 1 acre of land for 2-wheelers and 2 acres of land for the 4-wheelers. इसमें मुझे बताएं, whatever you are able to understand, what is the positive and negative of this. इसके फायदे और नुकसान क्या हैं बताइए. पॉजिटिव साइड में क्या है? The work pressure from the RTO, the work pressure will go down, and of course efficiency will increase, which is mentioned in the news also. लेकिन इसके साथ साथ why the schools are saying it is not a good decision. They are saying कि भाई देखो 1 acre of land, 2 acre of land हम कहाँ से लाएंगे? Because it's a big chunk of land. Particularly when we talk about the big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, having such big chunk of land is almost impossible. तो वो यही कह रहे हैं कि इतनी बड़ी बड़ी cities में where the land prices are very high, it will be almost impossible for us to have a piece of land like that. They're also saying कि in a city like Mumbai, if someone has a piece of land around 1 acre or 2 acre, why that person will be running the training school? वो कहेगा कि अगर 1-2 एकड़ लैंड मेरे पास है तो मैं तो वहाँ का एक तरीके से लैंड बैरन हो गया. So why should I run a small, you can say the driving school? ये भी यहाँ पर इसको एक नेगेटिव तौर पे देखा जा रहा है. इसके अलावा providing training and driving test could foster corruption, जो आपने भी बताया. strongly oppose the establishment of accreditation centers which would likely be dominated by corporate interests, because अभी तक क्या हो रहा था कि the very, you can say the local people were getting lot of employment opportunities, क्योंकि किसी को कार चलानी आती है, उसने क्या किया, अपना स्कूल शुरू कर दिया, and they were like 2 or 3 people, they started their school, and now they are involved in teaching, let's say 40-50 people in the neighborhood concerning how to drive the car. But now since government is trying to formalize this entire process, this entire business will be the corporate business, and therefore only the big players will be able to enter into the market. ठीक है, वो चीज़ यहाँ पर हमें देखने को मिल सकती है. And therefore it may so happen that only the big companies will be then involved and they will be hiring the people. तो जो लोग अभी तक अपना बिजनेस कर रहे थे, now they'll be working for these companies or these corporate entities instead of running their own business. तो ये भी एक नुकसान यहाँ पर हो सकता है. In response, Transport Commissioner Vivek Bhimanwar has assured that institutes will only receive accreditation if they comply with the provisions. He said the monitoring of tests by officials to prevent any misconduct. Additionally, the ministry has initiated financial assistance programs for driving training centers, but uptake has been limited due to capacity building requirements. So basically, here the government is saying that we will not give license or accreditation to just anyone. If the company or if the corporate entity, if the person is eligible enough to have the requirement that we are citing, only then this license will be given. Otherwise, we are not going to give this license to run the training school to any Tom, Dick and Harry. So we will be very, very stringent. We will be very, very strict in this area. काफ़ी स्क्रूटनी के बाद ही वी आर गोइंग टू गिव दिस लाइसेंस. ठीक है, तो प्लस माइनस दोनों है, देखते हैं किस तरीके से रिजल्ट्स आते हैं, एंड देन वी विल सी इफ अमेंडमेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड, तो वो भी इसमें करनी पड़ेगी.